Hi guys, and today I'm going to show you how to decorate your snow leopard. Whenever you only have limited items. And I'm here with this guy. He has to be in, so I figured, okay, I'm not going to kick you out then. Now my usual look is basically pink, that, and this. But anyways, so yep, you can do this, or let me see. Alright, so let's see. Snow leopards are actually pretty hard to do anything to, considering that you only have limited items. I mean, I only have limited items. Yeah, you can do this, and then do like a cream. This is an odd snow leopard right now. So yep, there you go. And here is a St. Patrick's Day snow leopard. Goodbye, comment, like, and subscribe.